Yeah, I want to welcome and thank you for stopping by DowScalper.com. And I'm going to start this video off by being brutally honest with you. And the main reason that people come by this site is because what they are currently doing, it's not working. It's failing. And these people, they know deep down that they are a whole lot better than the trading results that they have been getting. For decades, the trading world has been absolutely littered with blown out accounts and the shattered dreams of those people that just wanted to give it a shot. And since the economy went into the tank and unemployment surged during the financial crisis, more and more people, they needed to find a way to either add another income stream or replace one that was lost. And this created an opportunity for the sharks. They went into action. And these people that were just looking to better their own lives, they were seduced with headlines such as, "I made $50,000 while on vacation trading Forex," or "Quadruple every single dollar you deposit," or my personal all-time favorite, "Ex-bank trader reveals the keys to opening the trading vault and siphoning the money right into your personal bank account." Okay, I admit I made that last one up, but seriously, that's what's being promised out there. But people get started on the wrong road, but they are just so excited about the prospects of a better life, they are totally blind to the direction that they're headed. And when these people finally realize that they are way off track, it is far too late. Pride and ego, the fear, greed, it's all taken over. And these people, they need to completely rewire themselves to take advantage of what this market can offer. Now, the first thing that people should really do is just forget about the majority of indicators that are out there. Indicators generally rely on past price to be effective, which is just simply saying that price has to come first. Others, they rely on volume and the volatility in the market, but the key to all that is price has to come first. Cause and effect, right? Now, I want you to check out this chart. Does that look familiar to you? Maybe it's a little exaggerated here, but I think you get the point. It looks like spaghetti, right? Do you want to see my chart? It looks a whole lot different. All right? Why? Because Dow Scalper, it's not based on using indicators. It is based on market principles, market mechanics that occur on every day, on every instrument, on every single time frame. Right? You think the pros use the charts that are all covered in spaghetti? No, not at all. They don't have to. And frankly, most trading systems out there are just tweaked and curve fit indicators that are packaged up as the secret to thousands of dollars per day. To be totally blunt, it's just a load of crap. The big banks out there, the hedge funds, the institutions in general, they're not buying those secrets. They are using real people who use logic and reasoning to increase their wealth. And that is what Dow Scalper is all about. Okay? I want you to be able to actually read what the market is telling you through market mechanics and price action and have you take the appropriate action. I want you to be able to look at a chart like this and just know with a high degree of probability just what the market is going to do next. I want you to check out this video of real live trading. It's a recent trading session, and then we'll come back here and we'll continue. Okay, I'm going to take a short here. Just a little bit of a run up. Just wait and see what happens here. See if the market's going to follow through. 1250 is just up here, so let's just see what happens. Rena, I'm talking, right? $12.35 is a low on this. Let's see what happens here. Took a short on this. 1247, 1230, 831. So we're heading down pretty good. And the high on this candle here, is 47. So it broke down through this low here. Hopefully it's going to head down to here to the 31 area. See it clear that to 30 and get us out here. Right now we're up 4, 5, 6. It's getting pretty close there, and just need to push through, and then we get our 8. Bring this down to break even, and that's it. So that's a quick 8 right there, and as the market keeps coming down here, and we'll see what plays out here. There was a bit of momentum move, but as it broke up above, you know, you got to watch those going long at the breaks like that in this area right here. So that was a quick +8, taking it as it moved down here. It's only 3 contracts, right? So it's $15 a point. Let's just wait and see if we get anything else, and if we do, I'll turn the video back on. All right, just took a buy in this market. Stop is just below here. Had this big move down, broke through the support area, and just going to see what happens at this. The low on this candle is 02. We're at 01. There's a support area right here. Let's just see if price moves back up. See what happened. It was a nice thrusting move down, and then we had this indecision kind of candle spinning top. Let's just see what happens here. Up 3 on this, and just going to play it out, and that's it. So that's another +8. So that was it. We're going to 2 trades for today, and we'll just call it a session. That's 8 and 8. So at 8 and 8, you're looking at 16. There's 3 contracts, which is $15 each tick. It's 240 bucks, and then obviously you're going to take your commissions off of that. Welcome back. No, that was not a mistake. That was 10 minutes and done for the day. And that's what's behind Dow Scalper, to get in and get out and just finish off the day, usually within the first half hour. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give you just a little peek inside the members area, just a little one. All right, so you can see what's inside of here. And here we are. This is the members area. Now, right here at the top of the screen these are all the modules that you're going to get. There's some bonus trading videos here, and I can't go too far into this simply because as you click along into these modules, you know, everything is precise. There's absolutely no filler added. All right, the Dow Scalper course, it gets right into the nitty-gritty, so you're not wasting time with useless material. Okay, what you get here is you're going to get recordings, you get text that outlines the entire strategy, and some walkthrough videos so you can absolutely see what you are doing and what you're learning. Now here, this is some of the benefits to trading the Dow Scalper. And they're all down here. You have a nice little look at here, and you know, probably one of the biggest ones is number 3, is you're going to learn easy to read and speculate with patterns that repeat. You know, and why we absolutely love to trade the Dow Emini futures. You're going to read all about that as well. And number 6, you know, number 6 talks about why a Dow Scalper is great, because it allows you to focus and trade with precision on one market, one time frame, going for 1 or 2 trades within minutes, and you're done for the day. That is the Dow Scalper. Now, I don't want to go too far into here with all these different modules here, because as soon as I click them, the course starts. Okay, so we don't want to be doing that, but that is what you get as a member when you come in here. Okay, now I'm going to head into just how you order and the guarantee behind it. But before I do, look, listen, if you're just a tire kicker and you're just checking out the showroom, please, you know, do not waste my time or your time. Now, if you're not ready to let go of the indicator mindset and you want to hold on to them as tight like a baby does with a blanket, just stop right here. Okay, and if you're not ready to understand market mechanics and concepts that are used by pro traders, just stick with those $49 ebooks and cruise in the forums looking for that next big thing. Right, the fact is that many people, they're just not up to breaking the old habits. Right, they think they know it all, and they're just so jilted and closed-minded that really nobody can really help them. Right, there is a reason that average is very commonplace. But if you're still here and you're ready to go through the course, you're ready to absorb and understand the material, and you're ready to approach it like a professional, here's what you do. Scroll down to the bottom, click Add to Cart. That's going to bring you to PayPal. It's going to show you up here for $297 US. Do your PayPal business here, click, and then you're going to be asked to send over the receipt, the transaction, send us over what you'd like to have for your logins, and we'll get you all hooked up. Now, one thing people like to ask about is the refund policy. I understand that, because at the end of the day, people think when they're getting into something that they're going to go full bore, but, the fact is that a lot of people out there, they're good at talking, right? But they don't really walk the walk. So here is the refund policy right here. It's you got to learn the program, all right? And you got to put it to test for at least 3 weeks. Yes, there's a learning curve. We totally understand that, right? Because we're not just slapping up an indicator and say, do this, do that, do this. All right, this is a discretionary system. It's not a 100% mechanical system whatsoever. There's a learning curve. And you want to become fully proficient. All right, so you know what? You owe it to yourself. If you're going to do this, practice daily for at least 3 weeks. All right? And if you can prove that they're not profitable in this 3-week period, just let us know. Right, within 30 days, and well, we'll issue your refund. And the fact is that we fully understand that a lot of people they're not cut out for trading. Okay, they're just not, and they'll go through this and they'll get frustrated and they'll end up quitting and look at it again and quit it, back and forth. That's just people and human nature in general, and that's fine. They are what they are. But if you're going to commit to it, I hope to see you on board here, and please check out the rest of the site, and we'll talk soon. Thanks for watching.